For millennia, Mars has captivated our imagination. A crimson beacon in the night sky, it whispered promises of alien life and held the mirror to our own desire for exploration. Now, the dream draws closer. With technology rapidly advancing, the question is no longer if we'll walk on Mars, but how will we live there? Tonight, we embark on a journey to the red planet, not just to plant a flag, but to envision a future where humanity takes root in the Martian dust. Mars is an unforgiving mistress. Its thin atmosphere offers scant protection from solar radiation, its temperatures plummet to bone-chilling lows, and dust storms rage across its barren plains. Living on Mars won't be a weekend getaway, it will be a grueling test of human ingenuity and adaptation. We'll need pressurized habitats, shielded from radiation and providing breathable air. Water, scarce on Mars, will be precious, extracted from ice deposits or carefully recycled. Growing food in greenhouses, hydroponic systems, or Martian soil will be essential, a delicate dance with a foreign environment. The psychological challenges will be equally daunting. Isolation, confinement, and the constant reminders of Earth's distant blue dot will test our mental resilience. Building a society, fostering community, and finding meaning in this alien landscape will be crucial for long-term human survival on Mars. But humanity has never shied away from a challenge. 3D printing will allow us to construct shelters from Martian materials, reducing the logistical burdens of transporting everything from Earth. Renewable energy sources like solar and geothermal will power our Martian settlements. International collaboration will be key. Sharing expertise, technology, and resources will be crucial for establishing a sustainable Martian presence. Imagine a global village on Mars, a melting pot of cultures and scientific minds working together to build a new home for our species. Life on Mars won't be a replica of Earth, it will be a unique tapestry woven from human ingenuity, technology, and the very fabric of the red planet. We might create biospheres, self-contained ecosystems that offer a breath of familiar green amidst the Martian rust. Mars won't be the end of the journey, it will be a stepping stone. The lessons learned, the technologies developed, will pave the way for further exploration into the solar system and beyond. Imagine a future where Martian settlements become launch pads for missions to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, or even the distant reaches of the interstellar ocean. Mars then becomes a canvas for humankind's future. It's a reminder that our destiny isn't confined to Earth but lies in the vastness of space. By living on Mars, we don't just write a new chapter in human history, we write a new chapter in the history of life itself, venturing beyond our cradle and claiming our place as a multi-planetary species. As we gaze at the red orb hanging in the night sky, let's remember Mars isn't just a distant point of light, it's a frontier waiting to be explored, a canvas waiting to be painted with the dreams and ingenuity of humanity. It's a challenge that beckons us, a testament to our enduring spirit, and a reminder that even in the vastness of space, the human story continues, evolving and reaching for the stars.